Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Clay Center, local and long distance movers near me. A long distance move covers more than 50 miles within or outside a state. Due to the far distance, you put your precious belongings in danger of being damaged if you hire inexperienced movers. 3 Movers has a lot of experience assisting our customers with long distance moves. We have no distance restrictions because we work with state and federal agencies in long distance relocation. We also have a good reputation of being reliable, so you can trust us with your belongings and information. We assign a team of movers to every client, and they assist in organizing your belongings and loading them into our trucks. Our trucks are also adequate for long distance moves, and our drivers are experts. 3 Movers also offers local moves, and local moves are usually less expensive than long distance moves, but we offer you the cheapest rates in our moving firm in Clay Center. We not only provide the cheapest rates in the city, but we also offer the best local moves. Our hourly rates are as low as $30 to $40 per hour. If you ask the locals about us, you will hear only positive things. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Clay Center moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial, international, furniture, residential, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.